This is a rechargeable magnetic flashlight designed for everyday and outdoor use. It delivers up to 2,000 lumens, giving you a bright, powerful beam that works well for tasks around the house, the car, or outdoor activities. The flashlight has a built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, so you don't need to keep replacing batteries. I like that you can recharge it easily and keep it ready when you need it. It features a magnetic base, which is really useful for hands-free lighting. You can attach it to metal surfaces while working on a car, setting up camp, or handling repairs. The adjustable head lets you change the angle of the light to focus exactly where you need it. There are 9 different lighting modes, making it flexible for different situations, from bright illumination to lower light settings. The waterproof design also makes it suitable for outdoor use, even in rainy conditions. This flashlight is compact but sturdy, making it easy to store in a backpack, glove box, or emergency kit. If you're looking for a versatile, rechargeable flashlight for home, travel, hiking, or camping, this magnetic flashlight is a practical and reliable option.